Viewers, this is Liberty Online Television and me and Maria Sheriff. Today we did na Dundas Street around the Pademba roadside. As we all know, the rain will come last night. Year in, year out, we don't hear about flooding. We don't happen anytime inside the rainy season. Inside flooding can happen at different community then. Na Freetown, and today we see inside this last night heavy rain become will be affect some areas then. Na Freetown, so we understand say flooding will also happen. Na some major streets them. Na Freetown, and we there na the Samagota Pademba Road, Dundas Street. So can know how this dirty, the rain will come last night, how it affect the side and major streets na Freetown. As you can see around, these are some of the effects of the rain will come last night, and some of the things in this way the rain being caused. Where it bring come a lot of dirty, for sake of the flooding will happen, the dirty them come right around at the streets, and we dey go na different major streets for see how this rain will come last night, I affect some part them na Freetown.
They affect too much. You don't see all the clean salon and take the Sabagota, and they all landed in the kind of the number of people. So where the rain can be fortunate. You see, what are they going even inside of business place, the fuel market? You see, they affect you greatly.
So what's not one the authorities and we concern for do for see this not going to repeat itself as we just go into the rains.
The authority for helping for cleaning the gutter, don't do back then enforce some city council police officer then in the night. Go the clean salon, because the clean salon over there, I see them go take dirty and people knows the way and give them money. And then gutter then some gutter in the canton. We can get the money with all these gutter from the phone and city council box by the petrol by the street. Bring back them back to the TV.
We get several causes, but the main one there are dirty. You find out see people that they put dirty from their homes there, they can't put on the gutters. So the moment we rain come, all they do they block canal streets. They block the gutter. Then also the people that they build up the upside, and they use them. The moment they don't tick the dirty, that bread dirty, they just pack them at the water road. So that with the moment when we come, it because the street, everything can't come. When they can't block the gutter. So the road, the water officers say no, the pass. The find out say at the street they come. And as they can, I feel the crowd the dirty. And some of the factors that we responsible.
So what one have say authorities and we concern for do for see they're able to stop all of them challenges that so we can make this flooding that can happen every any season.
Well, I feel say the authorities then they for put measures in place so that people they go left for put dirty and the gutters. Then number two again, this Samba gutter, they don't shallow now. You understand? By right, they for find way for opener, for broadening the gutters, so that when rain they come, it will get to the flow. But the gutter don't slow. And all the rain now when they don't make that new road, the other side they all the water are to the Samba gutter and they come. So you find out the gutter don't small compared to the kind rain they come. So if they be able to open the gutter or they make it deeper, the water take the flow everywhere.
Well, not to rule for any very flooding car. We try by all means, a lot of make sure the incident they are not occur. Of course, this is said it's now waiting at the things already there. So plastic and all the rest of it. And then this. Then grains they actually they don't pick the collect to the trade of TV. Of course, we roll, but not make sure we provide a safe and reliable road network for people of this country. And we can make sure all them grains they are clean them. You understand? So that the water goes through. But as we clean them, you will find out and then see how they happen. So like them places there, you get contractors the money working to see where they clean. You understand? And at the tender we see now. But what this one happens now, can do immediate intervention. That will be right.
So what if you say the cause of the flooding which can happen every year in the
year? I don't say so. Because of the throw it inside drain. Drain has they're not for throw it. Of course, if you see creating they don't gather and they're all the plastic and from here they pull out. They're not supposed to throw it inside the drain. You understand? But people they throw it inside the drain, the end of the drain will get clogged, it will block, water not go flow, and water not see once you block anymore. Whatever they do, just take out and the road.